everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I will be showing you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open the Asana application if you haven't already. When opening the application, you'll be greeted by the home page. So the first thing you want to do guys is go and find the project where you want to hide the tasks from. So let's say this is the project where I want to see all of my tasks and I want to hide the completed ones so that only I can see all the uncompleted tasks and what I have left to do. So guys, to do this is very easy. The first thing and only thing you have to do is go up here in the upper right corner where you will see the button called All Tasks. So go ahead and click on the button called All Tasks. As you can see guys, now currently we can see all of the tasks we have assigned to this project, even the completed ones. So what we want to do is go ahead and click and check on the button that says Incomplete Tasks. Go ahead and click on Incomplete Tasks. As you can see here guys, clicking on Incomplete Tasks removes the project that was completed, and now all we have left is the incomplete projects that we have left to do. So guys, that's how you do it. It's pretty easy and pretty simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.